Whoa. Whoa.
You could rip the top off of it and then just keep the nut. Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Did you see this? You can dip it in there. It's emulsified fat.
Not so fat.
That's better than coconut oil.
Whoa. The taste is like...
That one tastes... I would give that one, I think, maybe like a 7 out of 10 from what I just tasted. They get a lot better than that too.
It's so smooth. Like, this was a bit salty than I
Yeah. It's almost like bread and butter.
Yeah.
I mean, it's called Queen's bread.
It's actually it feels like bread. It feels like a how do you say the fluffy muffin almost. Wow. Look at this. Wow.